Hey guys, and welcome back. So this is basically a quick video showing how I do my makeup to work every day, like how I do my light no makeup kind of look to work every day. It isn't exactly a tutorial, so there isn't going to be all that, I use this, I use that, and all of that. It's more like it's more like a Snapchat series I'm just putting out on my channel. So I'm just going to assume, you all know the drill, know how to do your makeup and stuff like that. And if you don't, you could still see how I'm, doing the stuff here. Just that I wouldn't be saying, okay, this is what this is used for, this is why I use this and all that. So guys, enjoy. And yeah, I showed all the products I used as I was using them. So once again guys, enjoy, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Please guys. Yes. Oh yeah, let's shaku. Okay, just to point out, I did not use the contour powder on the sleek contour kit. For contouring, how am I going to put it? I use the blush to contour. Yeah, this is something I just tried out recently and I've been enjoying. So I only contoured my blush.